Here's how to tag people on an Instagram post. You have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the plus icon to create a new post and choose your photo or video. Then you have to tap next twice. Now tap on tag people option. And here you will find the invite collaborators option. Just go for it and search for the person you just want to tag. Select them and tap done. You can also choose multiple people if you want, and after that, go for share. Once the post is published, you will see that it's posted successfully, and when they accept it, their names will appear on the post. But now if you want to tag someone on an existing post or old post, in that case, you just have to open that post, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select edit. Then tap tag people and follow the same steps. Use invite collaborators and search for the person, select them and tap done. And that's it. This is the easiest way to tag people on Instagram posts. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.